So this one shouldn't be a struggle when you go to exam lah. But I know for a start, you may feel like, oh, this is a bit difficult. But let's look at the first one. The first one is this one here. The line L passes through A and B. So you have this line L here. Draw it out. Don't just think that you don't need to draw. So this is 1, 2, 4. And this is B, which is -2, 3, 1. Okay, this is line LAB. This is what you do. Okay. Now the plane has this equation. So this equation here, leave it in terms of scalar product form. We don't really like in Cartesian form or anything. Just scalar product form will suffice. So that will be good. So you want to find the coordinate or intersection between the line and the plane. So what is the first thing you need to do? First thing is, you need the line equation. Okay, you need the line equation. So form the line equation first. Then you straight away find the intersection there. It's quite okay. So line equation will be, let me just put it up. This will be line AB. AB will be any point will do. So I'm going to use A plus lambda AB. A to B is actually B minus A. This is the line equation. Line equation should be able to get it straight. So I don't know what's AB. I just anyhow draw. So like I say, drawing is important. I'm not asking you to draw like Picasso or anything. I just want you to draw so that you can solve. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This will be it will be okay. Just remember, when you multiply across, you just dot product like that. Then after that, you dot product inside. Okay. So just remember that -9, -1, -6. So once done, you get it. This will be 3 minus 4 will be -1. -16. Copy wrongly. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 here. So always check in between so lambda is equals to 3/2. Okay. That's it. So once 3/2, so intersection point. Okay, just now I wrote wrongly. So this is So coordinates of they want the coordinates, so give it coordinates of point. Okay. So angle between L and P shouldn't be a problem. Can just use a sign. I'm going to use sign there. Part 2. Angle mod N mod D cosine 90 minus theta. But cosine 90 minus theta is actually sine theta. So this will be okay, so this is minus 9, 14, 19, okay, 28.8 degrees, 1 dB. Okay. This is how you do part 3, right? You think about it, this is a relationship between what and what? It's actually a point to a plane. Okay? And essentially, what you want is the shortest distance here. Now remember, anything to do with distance, you use the magic triangle. Just use the magic triangle. Because we already have the intersection point, let's say the intersection point is, actually, you don't need the intersection point here. So it's just a point and a plane, right? Remember that? Okay. So this is why the vectors is difficult, because there are so many things to navigate. So A is 1, 2, 4. It's 1, 2, 4. And this one over here is a distance you want to find. You know that the normal here of the plane is actually 3, negative 1, 2. Okay? You can use this point here, but this point here is 0.5. I don't really like this point here. This point doesn't make sense. So if I want to find the shortest distance here, what I need to do is I need any point on the plane. So I'm just going to guess a point on the plane. What point can I have? I can have any combination of x, y, z will give you 17. Okay? So I can have 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 18, right? Minus 1 plus 2 times 0. This will give me 17. So meaning x equals to 6, y equals to 1, z equals to 0. So 610. I can use 610 here. So I let this be 0.610. Okay. Then I let C610 a point on plane. Okay. I just a random point would do. I refuse to use the point. You can use the point intersection, but I don't want to use that because the point there. 610. So this is the triangle I'm looking at. The angle that we're looking at is here. Just remember, then this one and this one sandwich. And because I want to find the adjacent side, adjacent is dot product. Okay? So that's how you solve vectors question. Do I need to memorize anything? I need to practice lah. But I essentially just abuse the dot and cross product, the magic triangle, right? So I just abuse knowing these two, then everything just fall into place. Okay, so you don't really need to memorize stuff, but you just need to know how to apply it. You have AC and this is adjacent, right? So that's what you do. So the shortest distance is AC dot n. You univector n. You don't univector the hypotenuse, never univector the hypotenuse, you univector n. So there you go. So AC is C. Okay. That will be it. That's how you do it. Refer to page 21. I think is it page 21 of our notes? Page 22 of our notes here.